Actually, I am not a fan of these curved designs until I saw this. I have only one thing to say. It is a 3D curved beauty. Let's review this. 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2392 by 1080, offering a vibrant colors and sharp detail. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate. Everything feels incredibly smooth and responsive. It's available in two stunning colors, white and orange, with orange featuring vegan leather finish at the back, which really makes this phone stand out. It's protected against dust and water. Despite its large screen, the phone is surprisingly very lightweight and it weighs only 190 grams. On the rear, we have 50 megapixel primary camera that captures colors and details with the lifelike accuracy inbuilt with Sony IMX882 with AI technology. The AI photo enhance feature ensures that every shot is sharp and clear, while the AI erase tool lets you remove unwanted objects or people from your photos effortlessly without the need of Google One subscription. And also you can record up to 4K video at 30 fps, and there is also 8 megapixel wide angle camera perfect for capturing wider shots, and on the front you will find 16 megapixel selfie camera packed with filters and modes to make sure your selfies always looks great. iQOO Z9s Pro is powered with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, ensuring smooth and fast performance whether you are gaming, or streaming, or multitasking. It comes in 8GB and 12GB RAM with a storage of inbuilt 128GB or 256GB. But there is no expandable memory. You have to live with either 128GB or 256GB. And it comes with 5500 massive battery and 80-watt flash charger included in the box. That is really an added advantage, and it charges 50% in just 21 minutes. Not only that, it also supports 7.5 watt reverse wired charging. You can power up your friend's phone in an emergency. And inside the box you get a phone, 80-watt support charger, USB cable, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, warranty card, and a transparent silicone case. And there is no doubt this iQOO Z9s Pro, it's a 3D curved beauty design. Base variant is available at 24,999, and you can apply some other discounts as well. And also, if you are looking for any other options within this budget range of 2499, there is a link at the top and the description. I have reviewed, which is a fantastic phone. Please check that too. And also, if you are interested in reading our technical blogs, so there is a link in the description, and please visit our website techreviews.com, and also please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next